Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by unlocking the phone and opening settings. Make sure battery is above 10% so updates won't interrupt. Tap sound and vibration or notifications immediately. This is where system sounds and app tones live. You do this first because it brings all tone controls into one place. Once you see the sound and vibration page, you're ready to change notification behavior for system sounds and apps, so proceed to the specific sound controls next. You now lower or mute notifications. Drag the notification volume slider down to 0 to silence system alerts. Next, tap App Notifications to list apps, choose an app, then disable its sound or pick Silent as the notification tone. Make sure to check both foreground and background notification categories if present, because some apps separate them. Once you finish app-level silencing, system sounds and individual app tones will no longer play. Proceed to confirm Do Not Disturb if you want broader control. You finish by confirming settings. Enable Do Not Disturb for full silence or schedule it for hours you need quiet. After making changes, make sure to test with a notification. If sound still plays, restart the phone to apply settings. If issues persist, open the offending app and disable in-app sound controls, because some apps override system tones. One troubleshooting tip: clear the app cache or reinstall the app if it refuses to honor the muted or silent notification tone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.